Hello, Moonbeams 1. We are in week 10, so hopefully you had a good week, a little bit less hectic than normal, and we are back in routine. So we will start with our song. We are the Moonbeams. We are the Moonbeams. Mighty, mighty Moonbeams. Mighty, mighty Moonbeams. We are the Moonbeams. We are the Moonbeams. Mighty, mighty Moonbeams. Mighty, mighty Moonbeams. Ready to sing and play. Fred and the F team, Dino D. Spider fingers, here we go. Play those instruments, T-ta-T, and then we'll sing me-so-so. We are the Moonbeams. We are the Moonbeams. Mighty, mighty Moonbeams. Mighty, mighty Moonbeams. We are the Moonbeams. We are the Moonbeams. Mighty, mighty Moonbeams. Mighty, mighty Moonbeams. Ready to sing and play. Okay, right hand, and let's say hello to your mom. Hello, Mom. Let's do our scale. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, ti, la, sol, fa, mi, re, do. So make sure you are singing that scale at home, all right? And going, hello, Mom. Singing is an important part of what we are doing when we are working with intervals down the road. So, C major scale, we are going to add that last chord. So we have, whoops, gotta get that to stay there. So you've got your 1 chord, your 5/7, your 1, tuck your thumb for your F, and then your right hand is going to play C, F, and A. 1 chord, 4 chord, and the 4 chord is your C, F, and your A, then your 5/7, and your 1. Back to your 5/7, your 4, which is your new one, 1 chord, your 4, finger 3 over, 1 chord, 5/7, and 1. Okay, so you are now chording all the way through your C major scale. So I will listen to that when we meet individually. Then your homework for this week, H22. So we have the notes in the bass clef, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, and you're going to put the letter name in each box, put the correct finger number in the circle. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1 is the proper fingering, and play the scale with your left hand. So nothing new with playing the scale, just remember it's 5, finger, pinky is 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, finger 3 over for A, 2, 1, okay? And then W16, okay? We have the same type of thing. Print the letter name for each circle above and put the correct finger number on each key. So 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, okay? And play the C scale in your left hand. So you've got 2 pages to remind you of how that goes, okay? Then Christmas Carol. I will be listening to that when we meet individually, and hopefully that's progressing nicely. The Christmas Zoom recital will be with the rest of my students on December 14th at 6 p.m. And you can invite Grandpa and Grandma or whatever to join us on Zoom so they can watch you play. You'll need to dress up, and you don't need to introduce yourself, but you do have to be prepared to play your music without using your book. So you're going to start working on memorizing that, and we'll work a bit with that when we meet individually. Then K37 is your solo. So we have treble clef, bass clef, squiggly line, which is means we have a grand staff or a great staff. 4/4 time signature, 4 beats in a bar. A beat is a quarter note. And we're starting forte, and we have a phrase line or a slur. And this means we are going to play smooth and connected. So we're going to play 5 to 1, and then so you play this one, then play this, then let go of this one. So it's kind of like a teeter-totter. Play one, let go. Play one, let go. So you get a really smooth and connected legato sound. And then you left. So when your phrase line comes down, you would count 3, 4, lift. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is a phrase or slur, and it tells you to play smooth and connected. And the term for smooth and connected is legato. And that's the term that you're going to need to know as well, okay? Then compositions. So hopefully you know what you're writing about, and we'll work with that when we get together individually. So time signature on L11. So our 4/4 time signature is strong, weak, medium, weak. Our 3/4 time signature is strong, weak, weak. So with this one, our waltz beat is, or our swing beat is, so that's 4, and our waltz is 1, 2. Okay, so make sure you know the difference between 3/4 and 4/4 as far as, so on line 1, is this 3/4 or 4/4? The next one. Next one. 4/4. Number 4. 3/4. And the last one. 3/4. Okay. So those are important, that you understand your time signature, and you know your top number tells you how many beats are in a bar, and your bottom number tells you what kind of note makes up a beat. And for right now, our beat is going to be made up of a quarter note. Okay. Then on E6 and 7, we are looking at the Bach minuet, and it's in 3/4 time. So you're going to do da, 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 and our beat pattern, strong, weak, weak, strong, weak, weak. So, and you're counting ands because there's 8th notes, and you can do all the top lines one day and all the bottom line next. And when you see these ones, your half note dot. So your half note gets 2 counts, the dot gives it 1 more. And the squiggly just means you hold it out for 3 counts. 1 and 2 and 3 and. Okay? All right. So I look forward to hearing your Christmas carols, and see where we are with the compositions. And we're also going to talk about what we're planning to do for Music Festival and Masterclass. So we'll talk about that individually. It looks like Masterclass is going to be online with a clinician, I'm thinking out of Calgary at this point in time. It's what it's looking like. And So you'll have pieces that will get ready. So we'll get started on those as well in the next, well, when we meet individually. Okay, so Christmas Carol, K37, your entire C major scale with all the chords, and make sure you know what your time signature means. 3 beats in a bar, a beat is a quarter note, or 4 beats in a bar, a beat is a quarter note. All right, so we will sing goodbye, and I will see you later in the week. So long, farewell, our music class is over. We sang a bit and played a bit, and now it's time to study it. Have a great week, you guys.